In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an icon in Hostinger Website Builder step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a simple way to make your website look more professional, add visual accents, and turn a normal image into a clean, clickable icon. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy website builder guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need is a transparent icon image. Before you even open Hostinger Website Builder, download an icon file in PNG or SVG format from a free icon site like Flaticon or Icons 8. Using a transparent file is important because it blends smoothly into your design without a white box or background showing around it. Once you've downloaded your icon, keep it ready on your computer so you can upload it in the next step. Now log into your Hostinger account and open your website builder dashboard. Once your website editor loads, look at the left-hand toolbar. You'll see an Add Element button, usually marked with a plus icon. Click that button to open the element menu. This is where Hostinger lets you add different blocks and content to your page. From the list of elements, find the image element and drag it onto your page canvas. You can place it anywhere you want the icon to appear. For example, you might add it near a heading, beside a button, in a feature section, or inside a footer area. The great thing about using an image element is that it gives you control over exactly where your icon sits on the page. After the image block is placed, click on it and choose Change Image or Edit Image, depending on what your version of the editor shows. Then select Upload Files and choose the icon file you downloaded earlier. Once it uploads, insert it into the page. At this point, your icon may appear larger than you want, but that's completely normal. To make it look like a proper icon, click the image and use the corner handles to shrink it down. Drag the corners carefully until it reaches the size you want. If needed, keep resizing until it looks balanced with the rest of your design. For most websites, icons should stay small, clean, and consistent so they enhance the layout without overpowering it. If you want the icon to do something when visitors click it, you can make it interactive too. While the image is selected, click Edit Image and go to the Action tab. Under On Click, set it to Open Link. Then choose your destination in the Link to field. This could be another page on your website, a product page, a contact page, or even an external website. If you want the link to open in a new tab, turn on the Open in New Tab option as well. This is especially useful if you're linking to outside resources and want to keep visitors on your site. Once everything looks good, review the placement and size one last time. Make sure the icon aligns well with the rest of the content and that the click action works the way you intended. Then go to the top right corner and click Update Website or Go Live to publish your changes. That's the final step, and it makes your icon visible to everyone visiting your website. And that's it. Now you know how to add an icon in Hostinger Website Builder, upload it properly, resize it, and even make it clickable. This is a really useful trick for building cleaner, more polished pages without needing any coding at all. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.